Hey guys, happy Father's Day. This is Crazy Days. This is Danny and Wanda. He's from Deep South. We both are, kinda. Anyway, I wanted to wish Danny a happy Father's Day. I've got biscuits in the oven. He's fixed to have a snack. It's going to be his gluten-free biscuits with cane syrup.
More than likely.
More than likely, yeah. And so we've already been out. It's probably, what time's that clock say?
It's fixing to be 8 o'clock in 1 minute.
Okay, almost 8. And we're going to show you what we just harvested. We got a few cucumbers. I have enough now. I'm going to be making some relish probably. I don't know if it'll be today or tomorrow. Our red ripper peas, they're in the transition stage. We may get a few in about a week because they're little ones. We had one pear fall off. Not damaged, really. We're still getting a few lady peas. These things are blooming again and looking awesome. And he's getting his biscuits, and we have a sweet potato dessert for him for Father's Day. We got more blackberries, more raspberries, and look, my asparagus is still making. I'm still getting a little asparagus. And these. Half a 5-gallon bucket of Amish paste tomatoes. Maybe a quarter of this bucket is like a 2-gallon bucket of contender green beans. They're just not doing. It's too hot. And maybe close to 3/4 of a bucket, that's a 5-gallon bucket of rattlesnake beans. Look how pretty, guys. Isn't that awesome? These are doing great. I'm going to start with the rattlesnake beans. I'm going to start cutting them up. I don't snap mine. I cut the ends off and then cut them in small pieces. It takes me less time, seems like. And I'm going to can these today. And guys, happy Father's Day, Danny. He gets to do tomatoes.
Yep, there's a pile of them.
These are the Amish paste. And these are the Cherokee purples. And guess what you get to do on Father's Day?
Yep, it's my life. You don't work, you don't eat. You don't, food and survival takes no holidays. So I'm not a holiday person anyway, but it's got to be done. It's got to be done.
Yeah, and we don't do a lot of trips and stuff. And so we had yesterday his daughter visited.
Yeah.
And so guess what? Here's his biscuits. He's fixing to take one out. Doesn't that look pretty good? I'm doing pretty good with these biscuits, I think. They're beginning to look like a biscuit a little more. And he's going to add some cane syrup. So happy Father's Day to Danny. Happy Father's Day to all those fathers out there.
Yep. Happy Father's Day, guys.
Talk to you guys later from Crazy Days.